By the power of Grayskull and Mattel, iconic characters from both the good and evil sides of Eternia are here. From the rebooted He-Man animated series on Netflix, check out new toys inspired by He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. These newly designed versions of these favorite warriors have power attack features that make them ready for battle. If you're a fan of He-Man and the Masters of the Universe, then click on the subscribe button below for all the great new toys headed your way. Each of these 5-inch articulated figures comes with an attack feature that kids power themselves. Check out Ram Man. This little warrior uses headbutting action to fight foes. Skeletor comes with a staff that features a pull and release action. Man-E-Faces has the ability to change 3 different faces and has a powerful punch. And the power of Grayskull He-Man features a stunning amber glow as he comes with a sword. And speaking of swords, check out the Masters of the Universe Power Sword Prop Replica, which features lights and sounds from the show. Designed for ages 4 and up, new fans of the Masters of the Universe will love adding these newly styled figures to their collection. But hold on, because things are about to go retro. Longtime fans, as well as new followers, will love the retro feel of the Masters of the Universe Origins line that celebrates the original animated series with this Stridor action figure. He comes with 3 plasma blasts, as well as a helmet and bridle. Collectors can display him in epic poses using 19 articulated joints on the included display stand that connects to the Masters of the Universe Origins Castle Grayskull playset, which is sold separately. What do you think of this collection? Let us know in the comments below. To recap, these newly designed characters from the Masters of the Universe series are fun and feature power attack action. Each comes with a character-inspired accessory, and the retro Stridor figure is a great throwback to the old school collectors. And the power sword will have young ones summoning the power of Grayskull all night long. I have no cons for these, so I'm giving this collection 4.5 out of 5 stars. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on TikTok at The Toy Authority.